Welcome back to Gamer to Coder, the show where I put down video games and pick up programming. Last week was 1 month since I started learning to code, and I reviewed what I have learnt so far. If you missed it, be sure to check it out. This week, I'm back to picking up new concepts with FreeCodeCamp. I started off the week with this date formatter tutorial. In addition to learning about the date object and the various date functions, the main concepts this taught me was using switch statements and the splice function for converting strings to arrays of characters. Then I moved on to this football player cards application, which basically outputs a list of players which you can sort by their positions and their nicknames, etc. This helped me further my understanding of the switch statements and also using the default case. It also taught me the change event listener, along with passing an event as a parameter and accessing the value of the event. Finally, I completed this to-do list tutorial that allows the user to add, delete, and edit their tasks. This mainly taught me how to use local storage with the set, get, remove, and clear methods. It also introduced me to the this parameter, furthered my understanding of input validation using regular expressions and the trim function for removing spaces. In addition, it taught me some more methods for interacting with the DOM, such as accessing the parent element of an element and how to toggle whether an element has a particular class using the classList.toggle function. Anyway, that's all for this week. Next week, I'll be creating my own project to apply the concepts I've picked up, so be sure to tune in next week to see what I make.